Meet Tightra, professional RF technology for feminine internet wellness at home the Silk'n way. Easy, safe, and private. If you are a woman between 35 and 70 years old, you may have noticed that your private area doesn't feel the same or look the same as it used to. You might consider using Tightra if you experience post-childbirth damages, elasticity, and sensitivity reduction over the years, bruised self-confidence about your external appearance, or other side effects of weakened pelvic floor muscle tone. Important: don't use Tightra if you are pregnant, nursing, or have an implanted metal birth control device. Consult with your physician if you have any abnormal medical condition or have been treated for one in the past 6 months. Silk'n Tightra employs bipolar RF energy. Bi-Polar Radiofrequency is well known for its firming and tightening effect on any collagen-containing tissue. In clinical studies, Bi-Polar RF for feminine intimate wellness has shown marked results. 87% of women reported improvement in vaginal tightness. 76.5% of women reported significant improvement in sexual satisfaction. 70% of women suffering from urinary inconsistency syndrome successfully passed cough stress test. Silk'n Tightra is the first device that employs this proven, safe, and effective bipolar RF energy for use at home. Tightra is intended to use internally and externally. When used internally, Tightra gives you even distribution of energy to the entire vaginal canal tissue, energy rotation between electrodes to avoid overexposure in one spot, and superior safety with 16 temperature sensors that ensure automatic temperature control. When used externally, Tightra gives you concentrated energy for self-application and the ability to focus on specific areas. Get started. Connect and charge Tightra until the battery indicator light is constant green. Don't forget to disconnect it before use. Read the user manual. And now, to use internally, apply Silk'n Intimate Gel to all electrodes around the tip. Press the control button once to select the internal mode, lowest energy setting. Insert the tip inside as far as is comfortable for you. Hold Tightra inside for 5 minutes. If you feel comfortable, short press the button again to switch to a higher energy setting. Continue holding Tightra inside for 3 minutes. If you feel comfortable, short press the button again to switch to the regular energy setting. Continue holding Tightra inside for the remaining 12 minutes. If, when using the regular setting, you feel uncomfortable, stop the session, reset Tightra to lower energy setting, and perform a full 20-minute session in this mode. After 20 minutes, the device will shut down automatically. To use externally, shave the area. Apply Silk'n Intimate Gel only to the chrome-plated electrodes. Press the control button 3 times to select the external mode. Attach the chrome-plated electrodes to the skin and move the device in linear or circular motions to cover the outer labia and in between. Continue to move Tightra the same way for 20 minutes. Use a mirror to ensure you give enough attention to areas where tightening is most needed. After 20 minutes, the device will shut down automatically. A complete regimen includes a 20-minute external session or a 20-minute internal session or both twice a week for 4 to 5 weeks. After the basic regimen, use again whenever maintenance is needed and gradually reduce the frequency of use. The results? Well, you will just have to find out for yourself, wouldn't you? For more information, visit Silk'n website.